So let's talk about something very depressing tonight. I lost my idol. I think it was an idol for a lot of people in the food industry or in general. Most people actually, well, actually, most people doesn't know, but I'm a chef. I've been working as a chef since I'm 15. I'm 32, so 17 years. 17 years in this beach. 17 painful, but can be very painful sometimes, hours and mentally, you know, not only physically. But yeah, it's actually a great job also, you know. There's a lot of pros and cons, but you actually learn more every day, so it's it's very interesting job, I would say. So yeah, anyway, I'm talking about Anthony Bourdain. Passed away. Apparently he committed suicide. As always, you know, you don't expect this from people, especially like, you know, depression, and it start to rain properly. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just very I'm very angry about to him, and I'm very sad that he's not gone. You don't really expect that, especially from him. I would never see this coming. I would never expect that he will do something like that. I mean, you don't know people, but the image that he shows, that what he's been through already with drugs and alcohol and depression, it, you know, it looks like he is much better now than 25 years ago, you know. So I didn't expect that, basically. I'm just very sad right now because he is the greatest fucking food critic, or not even a critic. He's not a critic. He's the greatest probably food journalist out there, you know. He put up the hours. He used to be a chef, you know. And he's not trying to be someone else, you know. He always not try to be, just being himself all the time, you know. He doesn't give a fuck if you curse, if you swear in a TV, or, you know, he doesn't like someone, he just tell them to fuck off. You know what I mean? He doesn't give a shit. He doesn't take any stupid, cheap fucking deal to make some money just by using some shitty brain. You know what I mean? It doesn't make cheap deal. It doesn't take much of advert and things like that, you know. He just do his things, you know, but he doesn't give a fuck about what people think. He just don't try to be political correct, right? So yeah, it's just, when you have an idol like that, you know, like his life, honestly, like he been through hell, he been to some fucking shit job, and you know, he end up to be on a TV at the end, and having his own a few shows. Actually, you have no reservation, that I watch many times all the season, and the latest was Part Unknown. I think the hardest part is for Eric Rippert. Eric Rippert is French. Basically, if you don't know him, he's like a 3-star chef, and he's basically his best friend. So they were turning a show in France, and what happened is Eric Rippert found him in his hotel room in the morning. He found him dead. And this, I mean, I don't wish to anyone to find his best friend, you know, just commit suicide, basically. And I feel very bad for everyone in his family. He has, you know, he has a young daughter, and you know, you can already judge people who commit suicide. You know, we all go through some tough time, and I guess when you're very young and lost, you do get some suicidal thoughts sometimes, you know, when you think that nothing is good and you're not gonna go anywhere in the fucking life because school is shit, and you just think that, well, I'm not like the same as everyone else at school. I don't make it at school, but I'm good to do something else, but then I don't know yet. So you just kind of, you know, be depressed and having some suicidal thought or some shit like this. Even if you're older, you know, you miss your marriage or you miss your career or something like that. It just can be very tough that people doesn't understand, you know. Sometimes people laugh about this and I'm like, fuck you, man, laughing about this. I get the red light. Get the red light. Very bad. No, seriously, just, you know, people doesn't fucking understand. But when you go through some tough time and you just think everything is done, the best way is actually just to go. It's when you get there, trust me, it's very bad. And yeah, I feel fucked up, honestly. Like this, you know, out of all the chefs and all the fucking people that I met, this is the only guy actually. If you ask me, if you want to meet someone in the chef, in the food industry, who you want to meet, I will be like Anthony Bourdain for sure. You know what I mean? And yeah, you know, I meet Alain Ducasse. Obviously I meet Gordon Ramsay when I used to work for him in London. I meet a lot of chefs, you know, but Anthony Bourdain for sure, man. He was the man. He was the fucking guy, because he make it out of the kitchen and having his own fucking TV show from what? From a book that he wrote, from a book that he wrote about his life and the thing that he done, and he wrote it with no shame. He just be himself, you know, and he pays out that he ended up having a TV show, having a successful book first and then a TV show. So yeah, you just don't expect fucking shit like this from people. I really didn't expect this from him, and yeah, I just really fucked up, and it just really pissed me off. But then, you know, what I can say to him is thank you, you know, for all the come on guys, work it out. Thank you for all the inspiration, and yeah, I hope he feels better now. I hate to say that, but I hope he feels better now. And I know his family won't be okay, but I hope they can, you know, I hope his daughter get through it. She's not gonna go through it, but she would have heart. I know he's fucked up. Your dad committing suicide. I just feel so bad for the family and for him, you know. So yeah, I just wanted to share this out there. It actually helped to talk to someone, even if it's not, you know, someone that I can see face to face. It's to you guys, but it just fucking helped me. So I just wanted to talk. Okay, so yeah, just, you know, if anyone go through mental health problem, just find the number and call someone. You know, I don't know if you have a number in the Philippines. I will check it out. But if in the US, UK, Europe, there's always a number to talk to people, or just talk to your family, you know, and just, yeah, get some help, you know. I know it's not easy all the time. Life can be very shit for some people, but yeah, talk to people. Thanks for watching, guys. Be safe.